A single sneeze can rocket out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour, outpacing even the fastest Olympic sprinters. Imagine the speed of Usain Bolt. Now picture droplets zooming past that, carrying thousands of microscopic passengers on a wild, invisible roller coaster ride. It's a biological explosion where your body channels a remarkable burst of power to eject irritants. But here's the twist: while this is an awe-inspiring feat of nature, it's also a bit gross, turning your sneeze into a high-speed delivery system for germs. As you navigate crowded spaces, remember that this airborne phenomenon is a reminder of the incredible, albeit messy, capabilities of the human body. Whether you find it fascinating or slightly off-putting, one thing's for sure: next time you sneeze, you're not just stopping a tickle, you're launching a microbiological missile.